Brothers, listen carefully. What if I told you there is an ancient African secret that warriors used for centuries? A natural drink so powerful that many men today swear it lets them go 3 full hours in bed, without feeling tired, without stopping, without losing power. Yes. 3 hours. No pills, no chemicals, just nature's gift from the motherland. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to give you the exact recipe. Step by step. Thousands of men have watched videos like this one, tried it, and came back saying, "Brother, this changed everything." It's not magic, it's science meeting tradition. Ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, or can get for almost nothing from the market. This mixture boosts blood flow, skyrockets energy, balances hormones naturally, and gives you that unbreakable stamina African grandfathers passed down quietly. Ready? Let's go. Take a pen, write this down, or save this right now. You need only 4 main ingredients. First, fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb, 20 to 30 grams. This is the king of stamina in many African homes. It warms the body, improves circulation down there, and fights fatigue like nothing else. Second, fresh garlic, 4 to 5 big cloves. Yes, garlic. Nature's Viagra, according to many traditional healers. It thins the blood naturally, sends more flow where you need it most, and gives explosive energy. Third, turmeric powder, 1 full teaspoon, or fresh turmeric root, if you have it. The golden spice reduces inflammation, supports testosterone levels, and keeps you going strong hour after hour. Fourth, pure honey, 2 big tablespoons, raw honey if possible. This is the carrier. It sweetens the drink and adds fast natural energy without crashing. For even stronger results, you can add these optional power boosters. A pinch of cloves, 3 to 4 pieces. Many men say this takes it to 4 hours. A small piece of beetroot for insane blood flow. A teaspoon of cinnamon for extra heat and circulation. How to prepare? It's super simple. Step 1. Peel the ginger and garlic. Grate or blend them into a fine paste. Step 2. Put the ginger garlic paste into a clean cup or small jug. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Step 4. Pour in 2 big spoons of honey. Step 5. Add about 150 to 200 milliliters of warm not boiling water. Stir everything very well for 1 minute until it becomes a smooth golden mixture. Step 6. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the flavors marry. When to drink it? Drink the full cup 30 to 45 minutes before you plan to get busy. Some men drink half in the morning and half in the evening for all-day power. Pro tip: don't eat heavy food right after. Let it work on an almost empty stomach for maximum effect. What can you expect? Most guys report rock hard, stamina, no quick finish, energy that doesn't drop even after round 1, 2 or 3, and waking up feeling fresh, not drained. Many say 2 to 3 hours became normal after using it 3 to 4 times a week. Important: start with a small dose the first time to see how your body reacts. If you have any medical condition, blood pressure, ulcers, anything, talk to a doctor first. This is a traditional natural booster, not a miracle cure. So, are you going to try this African secret tonight? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're making it this week. Share this with one brother who needs it. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week I'm dropping another powerful natural recipe from the continent. Stay strong, stay natural, and enjoy the gift of real stamina. Peace.